only kids can hear this sound. Yep, you heard it right. In this video, I will play a special sound for you. This sound has a high frequency, and I believe that only kids and young people can hear it. If you are not a kid, there is very less chance that you can hear this sound. Okay, let's see if you can hear this sound or not. So, are you ready? But before, only 3% of the fast people can like and subscribe before I play the sound. In 3, 2, 1. Listen at 100% of your device volume. Did you hear it? Okay, let me play it again with 200% volume. Still don't hear it? Okay, let me play it one more time with 300 volume. So, can you hear this sound? Tell me in the comments. FiniTo, bye.